I am super excited to bring you this video from the Wetlands Nature Preserve here in Henderson, Nevada. It is the nicest, if not one of the nicest parks that I visited here in the Las Vegas area, and I can't wait to jump into this video. So Clark County Wetlands Park is the largest park in Clark County. This wetland preserve is one of my favorite parks out of all the parks that I visited in the Las Vegas area. There's some really beautiful ponds coming up, and the area is just, as you can see from the footage, this area is just gorgeous. It's really beautiful. The first time I came to this park was, I think, September or October. It's been a while. And I've been really excited to come back here to see it, because the first time I came here, it was late at night and I could barely see anything. I had a flashlight and I got a little lost. And it was a little spooky too, because there's a lot of coyotes. This is wastewater. It's coming off of the sewage treatment plant. And they built all of these little rivers and these ponds and these dams to slow the water flow. What this does, by slowing the water flow, it allows the silt to collect in the ground. And I guess it helps cleanse the water a little more before it flows out to wherever it goes. I'm assuming it goes out to the ocean. found a cottonwood tree. Little cotton balls blowing off that thing. Koi fish in here. Found another cottonwood tree. Well, sure are a lot of these here in Vegas. I'm surprised. This is something that you typically see in the Seattle area. I've never seen this in the San Francisco Bay Area. Surprised to see it here. Oh wow, look at this. It's like an ocean of cotton here. Well, that's almost an inch thick. Wow.